So the first thing to take note is that A, B are such that A is not a zero vector. This bolded 0. Now what it means here is that this is not, A is not equals to 0, 0, 0. It's not a zero vector. Non-zero vector. Then A cross 3B is equals to 2A cross C. Show that this, okay? So we start off with this over here. We just need to manipulate. The first one, A cross 3B is equals to 2A cross C. Okay? The first thing is you try and do this. You just move this over to the other side. 3B. This is a partial question. So A cross C equals to 0 vector. Now this is a 0 vector. Please make sure you put this down. Means it has to be a 0 vector. It cannot be just 0. So take note of this 0 vector, meaning when you move this over, this should be like 0, 0, 0. Because these are all vector quantities. Okay? So this should be a 0 vector. Great. This is a 0 vector. Then what we do is we factorize out, sort of like factorize out the A out. Okay? When you factorize this out, it will be A cross with 3B minus 2C. Am I right? Okay. If you take one vector, you cross with another vector, it gives you 0 vector. What can you tell about these two vectors? Okay. So I repeat. If I take, say, if I have M cross with N equals to 0, okay, what I can tell about this is essentially, this is mod N sine theta, right? Okay, there's a unit vector here, but the idea is let me just put this up. Let's just, okay, never mind, I'll put a unit vector here equals to 0. Now it means that this one has to be 0. Okay, so theta, this just will give you theta, sine theta is 0, so this is 0 degrees. So in other words, this tells you that M is parallel to N. When they are parallel vectors, cross them, you get a 0 vector. Understand? You cross two vectors, it will definitely be parallel to each other. So this is take note. Like I said, the whole of vectors, you just need to know these two by heart. Okay, so these two product, one is cross and the other one is a dot. So if you have crossed them, sine theta, this is 0 vector. So this will imply that they are parallel. So this case here, hence this shows that A is parallel to 3B minus 2C. Okay, then we will and this will just be right. This would, if this is parallel to this, so it means 3B minus 2C is equals to lambda A, where lambda is a scalar constant. Okay, 2 marks. Just like that.